Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen, and today I'm going to be cooking a really wonderful dish. It's a one-pot chicken and courgette casserole. So delicious for a midweek meal, weekend meal, any meal that you like. It's quite easy, takes a little bit of time, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Now please don't forget, if you like this video or any of my others, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just hit that little button in the bottom and ding the bell as well. And yeah, without further ado, let's carry on. Now we're going to need a casserole sauce. For this, I'm going to pour in 1 can of chopped tomatoes into a jug. Don't forget to rinse it out, don't want to waste any of the tomatoes in the bottom. Now I'm going to put some mixed herbs in. I'm going to use 1.5 teaspoonfuls. Now you can use any herbs that you wish really. A little bit of sriracha or chilli sauce, just to spice it up a little. About 1/2 teaspoon's fine. Now some garlic. I do love garlic. I'd have it in everything. Well, almost everything. I've used about 4 cloves here, crushed up and put in. So then we're going to mix our sauce all together and get all those beautiful flavours all incorporated, and just set it to one side for a while. Then we can cut some onions into slices about this thickness, just like that. I've taken a heavy based pan that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to layer at the bottom with the onions, and then on the top we're going to get some chicken. I've used 2 chicken breasts cut into chunks as just showed you, and we're going to lay these evenly, as evenly as possible, over the top of these onions. And when that's all done, then we can season them up. Bit of salt, well, quite a bit of salt really. And we're going to want some pepper as well. Well, quite a bit of pepper really. Come on, keep on going, don't be stingy. I do like pepper, it gives it a beautiful flavour. So, when we've got enough, never got enough, we're going to cut up our courgette. Take the end bits off because we don't want those, and we'll just discard those. And then slice it up fairly thinly. About this size, that'll be fine. Layer this over the top of our chicken, nice and evenly. There we go, just fill in all the little gaps. Then we're going to slice up some mushrooms. Another one of my all-time favourites. I love mushrooms in a casserole, they're beautiful. We're going to layer these ones up over the top of our courgettes. And just to tell you, I've used about 5 fairly large mushrooms, all sliced down the middle. Then we can go on with our sauce. Pour this over the top. Do you know what guys, this is smelling good already, not even in the oven yet. I'm going to spread this over a bit, just to cover up some of the mushrooms and the courgettes. And then I'm going to add a little bit of tomato paste, just to, what should I say, strengthen it up a little bit. We'll rub this over. Then I'm going to very quickly nip up the garden and pick some basil leaves. Oh yes, I've got a gardening channel too. It's called My English Tropical Garden, if any of you guys would like to go and check it out. Anyway, less talking, more working. Get snipping those basil leaves. Just a little sprinkling over the top will be very, very tasty. There we go. Then it's on with the lid and off to the oven. Gas mark 6 for at least 1 hour, until the chicken's cooked right the way through. Then we can take it out of the oven, and we're going to give it a really hefty sprinkling of Parmesan cheese. I suppose you could use any cheese if you haven't got Parmesan. It's entirely up to you. Look at all those beautiful juices. They're a little bit on the liquid side, but not to worry, because what we're going to do, we're going to put this back in the oven without the lid. Then the liquid will dry out a little bit and the Parmesan cheese will melt over the top, and you'll end up with something so delicious that looks just like this. So now it's about time for my taste test. Look at that. That chicken looks beautiful, doesn't it? So tender, so tasty, it's taking in all of those flavours. And my gosh guys, I can tell you this really is good. So full of flavour, so tasty. It's one that you must do for yourself. And thanks for watching. Please enjoy this video and I'll see you all again next time. Oh, don't forget, please subscribe.